Look at this. Do you believe AI can actually create real ASMR? A viewer recently asked me, how can I make an ASMR video using 70% AI and 30% human effort? Others have been asking, can AI ASMR videos still make money after YouTube's new monetization rules? Today, we're diving deep into this trending niche to explore how to smartly combine AI's speed with human creativity and create ASMR videos that not only trigger the algorithm, but also meet YouTube's partner program standards and actually earn income.
Subscribe, Bebo Geek channel.
All right, let's kick off with the 70% powered by AI part. Here's the bottom line. AI can seriously upgrade both the visuals and audio of your ASMR videos, and that's especially helpful if you're running a faceless channel like I am. Now, sure, lots of people already know how to make ASMR videos with AI, but since YouTube updated its partner program rules on July 15th, you can't just generate a video using a single prompt and expect it to pass. If you publish too many similar videos, your content might get flagged as repetitive, which could hurt your monetization potential. I'll break this down more later in the monetization section. So to make an AI-powered ASMR video that's algorithm-friendly, you'll need to vary both the scenes and the subject in creative ways. Let's start with visuals. You'll need a few tools: ChatGPT, Vheer, and any AI video generator you're comfortable with. Here's the process. First, ask ChatGPT to generate your scene ideas. I use this prompt. Please write 3 AI-generated ASMR demo scenes. Each scene should feature unconventional, counterintuitive materials or actions that defy real-world logic, leveraging the strengths of AI to create impossible textures and unexpected ASMR triggers. For each scene, include a prompt for image generation, text to image, to produce a static visual, as well as a prompt for video generation, image to video using VO3, based on the image, to create dynamic ASMR footage. Now, why do we generate images first? Because almost every AI video tool costs credits. And before I commit to a prompt, I want to see if the visuals are actually working. So I use free tools like Vheer to test the look first. Here's how. Take the first prompt from ChatGPT and open Vheer. I talked about this tool in an earlier video. It's totally free and lets you generate both images and videos without limits. Just sign up with a Google account, go to the text-to-image tab, paste your first prompt. Instead of the usual 9:16 vertical format, I used 16:9 here just to make it easier to show you the process. Then click Generate. Wait about 40 seconds, and your image will be ready. If you don't like it, just click Generate again until you're happy with the result. Then download the image and repeat this process for the other 2 scenes. Next, head over to VO3 or whatever image-to-video tool you prefer. Copy the video prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Select Frames to Video. Upload the matching image from Vheer and choose the fast model in VO3. You don't need to change the aspect ratio, just keep it simple. I usually set the output to just 1 video. Repeat that for all 3 images, and you'll now have 3 polished visual assets ready to go. Although VO3 comes with built-in ASMR sounds, sometimes the audio feels too thin, or just totally off. Like I literally typed no music in the prompt, and somehow it still added music. So, to get richer, more precise audio, I recommend using 2 sites. First, Pixabay.com. They've got hundreds of royalty-free ASMR sound effects like ambient noises, all kinds of tapping, wet mouth sounds, grilling sizzles, and more. You just download the ones you like. Second, if you want voiceovers but don't want to record yourself, check out ElevenLabs. The voices sound super realistic, and you can control the tone and emotion.
Yo, Jessica! Oh my goodness, have you tried the new ElevenLabs V3?
Hey, Dr. Von Fusion. Yeah, I just got it.
It is worth mentioning that there are 10,000 free points per month, which can generate 10 minutes of voice. Here's how easy it is. Go to the site, click text-to-speech, and pick a voice. I'm choosing Jane here. Then, in the text box, type whispering softly and write a simple line. Hit generate, and done.
Every touch resonates in perfect harmony.
This first version already sounds great to me, so I'm downloading it. And if you're not happy with the result, you get 2 free retries per clip. So now we've got our visual assets and sound effects. Now it's time to bring them together. Okay, welcome to the first step of the 30% human effort part. You've already made it further than most people. Seriously, most folks give up way earlier. Stick with me, and you'll actually finish something cool. Open CapCut and import both your visuals and audio files. First, drop the visual clips onto the timeline in the right order. Then add transitions between each one. Just keep it simple and natural. This helps your final video feel smooth and seamless. Next, we'll enhance the audio for each clip. For example, in the first clip, I wanted the sound to feel richer, so I downloaded an extra layer from Pixabay. Here's the before and after. In the second clip, there's some silence at the end, so I'm adding a few droplet sounds. I'm also layering in a stream sound to balance out the intense music at the beginning. Then I adjust the volume levels to make sure everything feels layered and full. The third clip already sounds pretty good both visually and orally. But I'm experimenting by adding a subtle human whisper. Let's hear the before and after.
Every touch resonates in perfect harmony.
But wait, does this really count as high-quality ASMR? Can it actually go viral? Sure, we've got several cool scenes already. But without any connection between them, the whole video feels kind of random, right? It's missing that emotional flow that keeps people watching. So, what can we do to fix that? Well, this next part is the most important. This is where we step in to guide the AI. We'll talk about 2 things. First, how to add your own creativity to the script. And second, how to craft better prompts that lead to stunning visuals. Let's break it down. To turn a random, messy AI script into something with a real sense of flow and logic, I start by building around ASMR trigger sounds. I actually have a full list of common ASMR triggers in my tutorial doc. It's linked in the description. So, in my new script, I designed 4 connected actions within the same scene: tapping, sprinkling, cutting, and eating. Step 1 is generating an image. I originally planned to use Vheer, but its server crashed while I was filming, so I used Seedance 1.0 instead. It's still free to try at the moment. You can check my last video if you want a full walkthrough. Here's the image I got. I used it as the base for the video storyboard. Then I asked ChatGPT to write 4 image-to-video prompts based on this image, each one describing one of the actions. I plugged them into VO3 and generated each shot one by one. Finally, I used CapCut to merge all the clips into one smooth, layered ASMR video. But here's the thing. If you want to make AI ASMR like a pro, there's more you can do. Let's talk about prompt upgrades. First, you need creative impact. What grabs attention are rich colors and visuals that feel offbeat or unexpected. Second, your prompt should include more camera-level details, like lighting, scene design, even sound cues. And here's a bonus tip. The AI usually follows the order of your prompt when generating videos, so making sure your description flows logically is key to getting high-quality output. But can these kinds of videos actually make money on YouTube? Let's talk about that. YouTube's monetization policy, especially after the July 2025 update, is a bit stricter when it comes to repetitive or low-effort AI content. So if you're just uploading raw AI clips with no editing, no structure, and no added value, you're likely not going to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. But the kind of video we just created, with a clear structure, scene progression, and custom editing, is totally fine. So as long as you're combining AI tools with your own creativity and editing, you're good. Even if you haven't qualified for the YouTube Partner Program yet, there are still a few great ways to start monetizing. You can drop affiliate links in your description for sleep-related products. Or you can turn your ASMR prompts, sound packs, or video tutorial into digital products and sell them on Gumroad or PromptBase. So give it a shot. Even if you only have a few demo videos, just start. Don't wait until it's perfect. And if you're excited to keep exploring how AI can help you create, grow, and earn online, you're in the right place. On this channel, I share real experiments, useful tools, and behind-the-scenes strategies to help beginners turn AI into real results. So if that sounds like your vibe, hit subscribe, and let's build something awesome together. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.